Before we get started on this video, I want to give a really special shout out to the sponsors who made this video possible.
Excuse me?
I'm just kidding! This is a Yamaha WR250F. It's got a cracked engine case and I don't even know if it'll start. I bought this a couple of years ago because I had just finished fixing up another WR250 and I had a lot of extra parts, including engine cases. So I thought I could pick this up and fix it without spending any extra money. But it got pushed aside, other things took priority, and this went from being in the garage to being in the carport, and now it's hit rock bottom. It's behind the house, underneath a tarp. But today, we're gonna get it out of here, see what we can do with it, and maybe give it back some dignity.
No more money. Is that a promise?
It's a possibility. This is pretty much a standard neglected motorcycle. The only things that are notable are the cracked case. I think this was caused by somebody being too rough with the Kickstarter, because not only is the case broken, so is this Kickstarter that also came with the motorcycle. So this thing must have been owned by Kangaroo Man at one time. It's also got some aftermarket parts, radiator guards, ignition module that has a switch here on the handlebar, power and traction. I don't think it really matters where that is though, unless it was forward and reverse. Then it would matter. I want to see if it'll start. I'm a little bit hesitant about trying it because since this case is broken, there could be metal shavings inside the motor, but I don't want to tear everything apart only to find out that the crankshaft is broken in half. Like the donor motor. I don't even know how something like that would happen.
Yikes.
But the cases are still good if we get that far. So the first thing I want to do here is see if it'll spark. This has been sitting outside for some time, so there could be water in the electronics. So what do you think? Will it spark?
Let's see where's the spark plug?
Down in that hole?
Oh.
What's the chances?
50-50? I don't know. For the sake of being interesting, I think it will spark. I'm feeling positive today.
It has been under a tarp.
That's worth 50 points right there.
No metal chunks.
I think it'll spark.
Looks all right. Since I can't use the Kickstarter, I've removed this cover from the left side and I'll just use a drill to turn over the engine. You watching?
Yep. Actually,
nothing?
I can't tell. I don't think it's sparking.
Let me see over here. It is, it is.
I can't see it. Why can't I?
Little spark, but we've got spark. Did you hear that click when I first started? That didn't sound the greatest. We'll keep moving on. So half the battle is done. I can smell the old gas from here, so I'm just going to clean the carburetor without even trying to start it. And I can't anyway though because the throttle won't turn. Oh, wait. Never mind.
Oh,
It was stuck a minute ago.
it's self-healing.
Maybe he's trying to tell me something. How about we just drain any gas that's in the carburetor, fill it back up with gas that's fresh, see what happens.
Okay.
So watch this little pipe. Nothing. That's a bad sign. That means all the gas evaporated except
Sludge.
except for the sludge.
Do you hear anything?
Maybe a little. I don't think there's anything in here. Oh.
Oh.
Need me to varnish anything? So that's what's inside the carburetor too. Very, very low chance of it starting without cleaning the carburetor.
You should clean the carburetor. Do it right.
It might run.
It'd run better with a cleaned carburetor.
It'll take 5 minutes. I'll put gas in there. We'll see what happens. I need a new gas line because this one has become segmented.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's perfect. That'll work. And this valve is stuck. Well, we'll just put it back on reserve where it was. Let's see if the gas can even make it to the carburetor. I'll pour some in here and see if it comes through the hose.
Hey, Jake. That hose looks pretty nice on there.
Oh, thanks. You look pretty nice behind that camera.
Oh, thanks.
Watch the end of that hose. Not looking good.
Nothing.
Just because that's clogged up, it doesn't mean the jets inside the carburetor are clogged up too. So I will try to fix it. Oh, yuck. So this used to be a filter, but the filter media has completely deteriorated, so we'll just get rid of it altogether.
That's rough. All those years of being outside didn't do it any favors.
You talking about me? So pull off this front cover.
Oh, pond scum.
So I should be able to blow through here and the air should come out of that hole. No.
Why
Okay.
does it smell like raw tortillas?
Your guess is as good as mine. So I'll squirt some not as old gas in here and try to clean it out. Also, this hole goes up to this tube. And is that another hole here? Yes, completely clogged. Look. What is that? And this is a hole too, I think. I don't even know what that is. That doesn't look like old gas. I wonder if the valve itself has deteriorated, and that's what I'm seeing in here. Oh, there we go. So I've got gas going from there out the tube. I've got this cleaned up enough that it will work, but there's still some residual garbage in here that will immediately clog up the carburetor once gas starts to flow. I'm not sure what to do. I might have an extra one for the KDX.
What? I feel like riding today.
Need to pay the bills. We need to pay the bills. If getting a good night's sleep is important
Stop now. Shameful.
to you, no valve, no filter. I need a filter for that thing if it's going to run. And so it begins. $5, just $5.24. That's definitely all that I will have to spend to get this motorcycle running. I've got the valve put back together and it should work. Now I'll just slosh out the gas tank a little bit. I smell like a cabinet shop. I'll clean the carburetor before we try it. After seeing that valve, I'm optimistic, but I'm not delusional.
Good to know.
What lurks beneath? Let's find out. First peek. Maybe.
It's glued together. Well,
fine.
that looks fine.
We're fine. It's very green though. I'll remove and clean the jets on the bottom of the carburetor because they've been submerged in whatever gas turns into when it dies and are probably crusty. Come on.
I always like it when you just hit stuff.
Jet number 1. Not the greatest, but I think we can tidy that up. This one's looser. It'll probably just fall out. Jet number 2. And this is the main jet. We'll pull it out next. Okay, so aside from being dirty, these jets are still usable. I also need to take out the float and the valve. It's all clogged up too. Nothing's getting through there.
Wash your mouth out. Smooth.
See, that's stuck in there.
Oh.
What has been growing in there? Maybe I should wear gloves. Whatever that gas turned itself into is resilient. Look at those spots. These were those original drips from the stuff that came out of that tank, and gas can't even cut through it. I've got almost everything cleaned up except this pipe that goes from the fuel line to the needle valve. It's completely clogged up, so I'll try to pull this out and see if I can clear it. Doesn't look the greatest. I'll see what we can dig out of there. Did somebody decide to put...
Is it grease? I think someone greased it.
It's a heavy oil engine. I've got this little elbow cleared out and everything else is cleaner than it was. I'll put it all back together and put it on the motorcycle.
Did you remember to grease it all up again?
You mean the dark caramel that was in this elbow? No. But the needle valve works.
Nice. You sound different today.
It's the morning and I'm cold. Okay, time to put this on. I've decided that the motorcycle will run. Somebody has tried to repair this case before, and the only reason somebody would try to repair a cracked case is if the motor was in good condition otherwise. Oh, my glove is stuck.
What if they just like to repair cases?
That's true, it could have been a school project for welding class. Since the motor was smoked anyway, it didn't matter if the repair was good. Look at my custom fuel filter plumbing.
Nice.
I feel like I've made it my own. There's only a couple things left to do before we try to start this. I need to put air in the tires.
You know, this is a Will It Run video.
It is. Will it run? I say yes.
I say yes.
I need to tighten down this banjo bolt, which is loose for a mysterious reason, and check the oil level. The oil on this motorcycle is stored in the frame, and the manual says that you're only supposed to check it when the engine is warm. But I don't want to warm up the engine if there's no oil in there. So I'll just add oil until it just barely registers on the dipstick. Okay, let's see here. Ooh, I think that might be too much. But hopefully they've engineered safeguards into this thing for people like me. It's gassed up. The time has come. Ready?
Ready.
Push. Push. Well, will it run? So far,
No.
there is another option. I could try the Kickstarter and be really gentle with it.
Maybe give it a shot.
Will it run?
Yes! Yes!
Okay, don't give out on me yet. Come on, you've got one in you.
It wants to.
It does. With these 4-strokes, I don't know if it's not getting any gas to the cylinder or if it's flooded. Temperamental things.
Do you think it might go better if we try to push start it now?
I was thinking about that, but this is high risk because if it doesn't start, it's the walk of shame.
Looks like you're feeling not very confident. You took off the helmet.
Well, that was for high visibility to motorists, and I don't anticipate getting out onto the street.
Yeah, okay. Oh, wow.
Almost. One more time.
Oh no!
It'll go. It idles, but coming off idle with the throttle, it cuts out, so it's not getting fuel. I'm gonna clean the carburetor again.
Okay.
The pilot jet, which meters fuel at low RPM, is completely clogged up. So I'll clear this out with a needle. Can you see through it with the camera?
Tiny, there it is.
That's enough. So I'll give this just a quick little wash and then put it back together.
Development?
I thought that the pilot jet was the problem, but the real trouble was the hole that it screws into. There's a passageway that runs from here into the throat of the carburetor and also through this venturi, and I think the air flowing through this hole is what feeds the atomization of the gas and makes the engine run. So I clear all that out. We might have a running motorcycle in a few minutes.
Think you got it this time?
I think this is it. I've thought this was it before, but I think this is really it. How many kicks?
3. Wait, you didn't say how many kicks.
2 more.
You have an edge now. It's spraying out of here.
Well, we've got a secondary problem. So 2 things with this motorcycle. It runs better, but something still isn't right in the carburetor, and I can't do anything unless I fix that case. I thought there was just a crack. There's a chunk missing out of that motor. It's a lot of work to replace a case. Everything has to come apart. Let me know what you guys think I should do. I wanted to go on a ride. Thanks for watching.